I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the machine safe. Power off and raise the needle fully so moving parts are clear. Once done, lift the presser foot to open the tension discs. This ensures the new thread seats correctly. Remove the old spool and trim the tail close to the spool to prevent snagging. Make sure you have the correct thread type for fabric weight. This matters because needle size and tension settings will depend on that choice. You place the new spool on the pin and follow the machine's thread guides in order. This keeps consistent tension. Then feed the thread through the tension discs and down through the K-cup lever. You should feel a slight catch as it seats. Next, wind a bobbin if needed and insert it into the bobbin case, pulling the bobbin thread through the slot until a short tail shows. Make sure both threads are aligned so they meet under the needle plate when you draw them up. You hold the top thread lightly and turn the handwheel toward you one full revolution to lower and raise the needle. This action catches the bobbin thread and brings it up through the needle plate. Once you have both threads, pull them under the presser foot toward the back so they won't tangle. Sew several test stitches on scrap fabric and observe stitch formation. If loops or puckering appear, adjust upper tension in small increments until
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.